Welcome friends, welcome back. My name is Vijay from Knowledge World. I'm back again with the review of another book. The name of the book is Atomic Habits, written by James Clear. James published this book in the year 2018 October. I will be giving you review of this book which would change your life. If you watch the video till the end, I'm sure that this will definitely change your life. Atomic Habits is not a book, but it's a source of power and energy. Friends, many times it happens that we really keep on looking in the past, what has happened and what had gone wrong and what we have gained. And then according to that we set up goals. But those goals are not real goals. In practice, what we need to do is we would need to make just 1% change in our habit daily. Initially we will not be able to make out the difference. I mean, what 1% change, one would think that 1% will change what? I don't know, just 1%. But if we keep on changing ourselves, if we keep on making the habit of improving ourselves just by 1% daily, and if we see after 3-4 years, it would be a big change, and we will not be able to believe that we have changed so much. The author says that success is not achieved overnight. Success is a result of continuous efforts, continuous work, hard work, dedication for many years, and then we achieve success. I have not really seen anyone who have achieved success overnight. The people who say that they have achieved success overnight is a result of their continuous efforts, continuous hard work, and only then success can be achieved. The author says that we would need to take small steps daily, and then after a few years we will be able to see that we have achieved a lot. Now these small steps would need to be in the form of habits. If it's a good habit, it will be an amazing work, and if it's a bad habit, it will not work and it would take us down to the bottom of the earth. What are these good habits? For example, going to a gym, starting a new business, learning something new. These are considered as good habits. Now if we tend to do this, it will really make a lot of difference. Many times it happens that we really start a good habit, but as we are following that habit, in the middle of the habit we leave that habit because we do not find result in that habit. For example, every new year everyone makes a resolution, and those resolutions are really of good habits. But what happens to those resolutions? By the time April, May comes in, the resolutions are broken because we are not able to keep up to those habits. Instead of that, if we just make 1% change in that habit every day, it will help us to take that habit, to keep that habit. And author describes this in the book in a very good way. We can really get those results that we have never really thought of. If you are not able to change your habit, it's not your fault, it's the system that needs to be changed. It doesn't really matter where you are in your life right now. What matters is where you want to go, what are the plans you are making to reach there. James Clear says that habits make our identity. Reading a book is not a goal, but to be a reader is a goal. Driving a bike for 100 meters is not a goal, but to be a cyclist is a goal. Going to the gym is not a goal, but to stay fit is a goal. Friends, we should really not think that we are not able to do this, we are not capable of doing this. Because really, if we keep on thinking like this, it will really take us nowhere. Friends, I remember few years back, I used to get really depressed when someone used to say something to me, when someone used to not listen to me. The whole day was good, but if something like this used to happen, I used to get really depressed. But later on, as I started reading the books, I started understanding why am I giving my key of happiness to other person. I have the right to be happy all the time. I should not give the remote control to the other person. That he would say something, I will get depressed. I do not really get depressed now. Whatever happens around me, whatever happens, I really do not get depressed. I try and stay happy all the time. This is the power of books, friends. I am keeping the link for this specific book in the description. Please go ahead and click on this link and buy this book. If you have really liked the video, please go ahead and like, share and subscribe to my video. Bye for now. friends until I come back with another book. Thank you.